Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to generate random numbers in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet, I have few products name and the months from January to June. My requirement here is to fill sales quantities between 12 to 84 in sales data table. So here I need to generate the random numbers or quantities between 12 to 84. To generate the random quantities, first of all select the range where you want to generate the quantities. Then press equals, use rand between function. Open bracket. In the bottom value, put the first value, that is 12, put a comma. In the top, put the second value, that is 84. Close bracket. This function will generate random numbers between 12 and 84. Now press Ctrl Enter, and here you can see the random numbers are generated. And when you do a change in a cell, the values will change. So if you want to remove the formula and keep the values only, you can now select this range, copy, then click on the first cell, right click, then paste special, select values option, then click on OK. Now the formula gets removed and only the value remains here. So this is how you can generate random numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.